Today we're looking at the Bougie RV portable refrigerator, CRD 05001. Capacity is 49 liters. The rated voltage is DC 12 volt 24 volt or AC 110 volt to 120 volt. The rated power is 60 watts. The net weight is going to be 20 kilograms, and the temperature range is going to be from -20 to 20 degrees Celsius. It says it's great for car camping, tent camping, truck driving, grocery shopping, and road tripping. And you'll see here on the front, it says we got the door latch here. We've got the storage compartment. We got a pull handle in the front. We got a compressor compartment in the back, the control panel on the side, battery compartment if you have a battery on the bottom. Also has wheels and the multi-opening lid. Nicely encased. It's got the styrofoam on the top, plastic edges on the side. Also have some thick cardboard edges here to keep it firm and taut. It's wrapped in plastic. The handle comes wrapped in foam inside the box. It has little latches here that unlock it so that you can pull it out and in. So if you want to have it locked, you can actually push it in, and then without doing this one, it's locked so that it doesn't move out of the way. All right, in the bottom back, it does have the battery box if you do decide to get the backup battery as well. So you can go ahead and have that. On the bottom, we have the USB. We have the 5521 DC 99. And we have the DC here with a fuse. In testing in the eco mode, it ran between 3 watts when it was powered off and just maintaining, and 30 watts for when it was trying to go ahead and cool down the unit. And then on the regular max unit power, it runs anywhere between 30 watts and about 62 watts continuous power if you're using the max cool function. Coming up, we do have a bottle opener here so that you can go ahead and open bottles. We have spring-loaded handles, and these are metal. Feels like these may be hard plastic, and these are metal here. We also show how to go ahead and turn it on. And on top, we also have the control panel that's covered in plastic to go ahead and protect it. All right, so we have our up-down with our max and our eco. We got our power, our settings, and our up-down for our 2 different compartments. The side here, it has the QR code to be able to download the app to be able to use with this one here. All the way around the edge, it does have heavy-duty plastic tie-down strap areas so that you can go ahead and tie it down wherever it needs to be tied down. So all the way along the frame, it has these tie-down spots. All the way along the back as well, so you can go ahead and tie it or secure it on all sides. We've got the wheels here, and these are pretty thick wheels. They feel solid wheels. And they're connected here on the end with a regular Phillips bit. So it has the handles that are locking handles right here that lock into the sides in 2 places. It has your model information here, along with the temperatures that you should keep certain things: meat, frozen food, seafood, vegetables, cooked food, water, canned drinks, fruits, soft drinks, and adult beverages. For the small compartment here, it is raised because it does have the compressor below that. You can pull the rack right out of it, and you can put it right back. Slides right in. It actually secures on the sides. You also have a removable rack on the big one here. 1 solid container. Looks like we have a drain in the bottom. We also have a box here that we're going to open up now. In the box, we have an assortment of cables. We have our power cable for the entire unit. The one with the power bank here is for an AC connection, so you can go ahead and plug it into AC power. There is the connector right there. And then we also have one that we can go ahead and plug it into the lighter. So your car's lighter or 12-volt charger, and it also has the same connector right there. So you're able to go ahead and control this by the app. You can download the app. It tells you that you need to turn on your Bluetooth or your smart device that you turn on scanning, and then you can go ahead and click the fridge icon and connect it and pair it. And then it's going to show you that you have the 2 different sides that you can control. And right here we have current temp, current voltage, set temp, turn down the temp, on and off, turn up the temp, eco max mode, settings, Celsius or Fahrenheit, and battery capacity. Says that the decibels is 45 decibels for the noise. We have the CR50 model, and so it shows here that it is a length of 28.7 inches, a width of 18.14 inches, and a height of 19.6 inches. So on the settings panel, it says that the L is for the large container, and the S is for the small container. And you have the ability to set both as a refrigerator, both as a freezer, or one as a freezer and a refrigerator, or one as a freezer and a refrigerator. You get to choose exactly how you want it with the temperature control and what your needs are on the road. They want to make sure, they tell you here as well as in the manual, that they may have turned it upside down or right side up when they were delivering it. So before you use it, charge it or turn it on. Make sure you let it stay flat on its base for 12 hours so the compressor can equalize, so you'll be able to use it safely without it getting damaged. So it's pretty sturdy. It's got thick lids that run about this, so you can go ahead and sit on it. You can have 2 people sit on it here, or you can go ahead and eat while you're camping, so it gives you the ability to go ahead and have an extra seat, not just taking up space. The Bougie RV portable refrigerator is definitely going to work for our needs.